What's the meaning of bleach? Bleach. Bleach.
Bleach. Bleach. Bleach is a chemical substance that is used for various purposes, including disinfecting, whitening and cleaning. It is a powerful oxidizing agent that can break down organic compounds and kill bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Bleach is commonly used to sanitize surfaces in hospitals, homes, and other public places. It is also used to remove stains from fabrics, whiten teeth, and lighten hair. However, bleach can be hazardous if not used properly, as it can cause skin and eye irritation, respiratory problems, and even chemical burns. It is important to follow safety guidelines when using bleach and to avoid mixing it with other cleaning products.